Today, let's talk about how Acorns Round-Up investing works. If you're new to using Acorns and want to know what is Round-Up investments and how do they work, let me explain to you in this video. Now basically, Acorns Round-Up feature is a simple way to invest your spare changes from everyday purchases. So for example, if you purchase a drink for $3.75, Acorns is going to round up to the nearest dollar, which is going to be $4, and it's going to set aside the difference, in this case 25 cents. You do not need to do this manually. As soon as you link bank accounts and turn on the round-up feature inside of Acorns, all of these spare changes will be automatically invested into diversified ETF portfolios. So what you just need to do is open up your Acorns app, and where it says Round-Ups, you just need to tap on this option and make sure that it is turned on. Once you've turned on, and when you start to pay using the Acorns app, every purchase that you make and every spare change that is made, it is going to be invested by rounding it up. So that's all there is for this video. That's the way that Acorns Round-Up investing works. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.